Does Nissan have any technology? Honda has its hair card friend Earth Dream. Toyota has the THA's hybrid system. Mazda has the blue sky of creation. Except for Nissan, what skills does he have? No one seems to remember. It's called Technology Nissan. In fact, Nissan's technology is terribly strong, but Nissan will not suffer from marketing losses. First of all, Nissan is one of the few automakers in the world that can achieve the ultimate in both heat inline 6 and V6 engines. Most automakers choose only one form of six-cylinder engine development. Nissan has both. Nissan's most famous inline engine is called the BR260 TTD1. This is a 2.6-liter twin supercharged straight-slip engine, capable of generating 280 horsepower from the original factory. 280 horsepower doesn't seem to be much. This is because there was a gentleman's agreement in Japan at that time that the horsepower could not exceed 280 horses. 280 horses is the letter of the gentleman's agreement, not the letter of the BR2.6. You just need to increase the turbo value of the BR2.6 a little bit. He can easily reach 350 horsepower, and the original factory of BR26 has a thickened cast iron cylinder block. No reinforcement is required. The original factory can withstand 1,300 horsepower output. There is unlimited room for modification in the later stage. This engine is used in the winning machine TR, codenamed BNR32, at the Japan Touring Car Championship that year. A 32 has created a brilliant achievement of leaving the factory 29 times and winning the championship 29 times. In 1989, a 32 ran a full speed of 8 minutes, 22 seconds and 38 seconds at Nube Circuit, including the BMW M3 and Porsche Carrera of the same period. In various other races, the R32 is also a blood-washed European car Aries machine. It is a classic of the generation. It is renowned as a Japanese national treasure sports car, and the BR6N engine is enough to go down in history. Nissan's V6 engine is the famous VQ series. It's been in development since 1983, launched in 1994. In 1995, it was immediately selected as one of Ford's top 10 engines. The test drive gave them a very high valuation. Call it the smoothest, quietest V6 engine on the planet. They all use the word drunk. You can see how powerful the VQ series engine is as of 2024. The VQ engine has been voted Ford's top 10 engine 15 times, even more than BMW's straight 6 engine. The market also has the world's only mass-produced avoidable compression ratio engine VC turbo. The compression ratio of this engine can be adjusted between 8:1 and 14:1, because in some cases, appropriately increasing the compression ratio can improve fuel economy. However, in the case of large load, in order to avoid shock explosion, the compression ratio should be appropriately reduced. Therefore, variable compression ratio technology can be more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly while ensuring comfort. This technology has been studied by many car companies. For example, SOB applied for relevant patents as early as 19. Later, Fute and Hyundai also studied it, but they are all difficult to overcome due to some technical difficulties. Finally gave up. Only Nissan finally succeeded. Nissan also has Linzuk disease valve generation technology, referred to as the only L-like technology. At high speeds, it can increase intake and combustion efficiency by increasing valve generation. It increases power, and when driving at low speeds, it's built with a smaller valve, reduce the intake air volume while ensuring the flow rate, further improve fuel efficiency. Like Honda's VTEC can also do this effect, but it is phase, and Nissan's Weiwei L, it's continuous. It can match the valve status in real time regardless of the speed. At present, only Nissan and BMW can generate continuously adjustable valves in the world. In terms of engine manufacturing, Nissan also has unique skills. It has a technique called static steel hole volumetric shooting. It uses plasma spraying and model aircraft technology to form a 0.2mm thick fleece film in the cylinder. This film can replace the steel sleeve of an ordinary engine, because the steel sleeve becomes a film. So it has better fall rate. This decreases the probability of explosion. The engine can also be designed with a higher compression ratio. In addition, this film can also reduce friction losses. The durability of the engine is also improved. Earlier, this technology was used on GT2. Now, it has spread to small displacement family cars, like the current Zhuangye HR 1.6 engine. This technology is also used. Speaking of this HR 1.6 engine, he started serving in 2005 and it has been 20 years since then. According to increasingly stringent environmental standards, the engines of many manufacturers cannot pass the test. We can only redevelop the engine, and this HR 1.6, with just a slight change, can pass the latest environmental protection law. This also goes into how deep the foundation of the HR 1.6 engine is. And as early as 2010, Nissan has launched the world's first pure electric car. It can be said that Lingfeng is the originator of the tram. As of 2025, Lingfeng has been on the market for 15 years and has sold more than 700,000 vehicles. The key is that for such a long time, such a large sales volume, Lingfeng did not have any buttons on the battery. Therefore, Nissan's technology is still rather strong. So would you choose Nissan? Welcome to share in the comment area.